Tine Maswati siyanemukela nonke. Tine Maswati ngenfokozo neluthambo.
ISwazi ke mbukeli ibona abantu labasuka kulamanye emave lafaka ekhathi iNingizimu Afrika, Mozambique, Lesotho, Botswana bahlanganyela lapha eSidokotho. Kutawuhlanganyela ngawo phela umdlalo wabo labawuthandzako kakhulu wekuhamba ngetidududu pheceleti kuthiwa ngumkhosi wema-bikers ke lo. Namhla ke mbukeli sitawubuketa bona ke bantu labahamba ngetidududu even la kaNgwane. Sitawuphinze sicocisane nabo labanye labasuka kulamanye emave. Hloma Ngwane vuka uvakashe. iSwaziland Tourism Authority ihamba nabo Buhle Betfu mbukeli tathathe lelithuba lekukubingelela iphindze ikwemukele ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu sikhangisa ngabo buhle belive la kaNgwane. Namhlambukeli sibuketa yona phela tindvo letenteka lapha even la kaNgwane letahlukahlukene. Sitawuxoxisana ke mbukeli sisavula lona lihlelo naye Big V na aya laba kuyo phela licembu le Hyenas labangibo phela ama-bikers lesinawo lapha eveni la kaNgwane.
Malam eliphelele ayanda muzi masina ekhaya kusemvulane kepha ke ngekusebenza ke sengaba seNingizimu Afrika sengineminyaka khona sengahlala khona kepha ke time and again I come home. Lapha site kuSwazi Rally as it's our annual carnival, if I may say.
Okay.
So we're here for the sport. Starting today, we'll leave on Sunday, which basically means more especially kusasa on Saturday there will be a lot of motorsport games. Drag race. Drag race is when tichutselana kubonakala ukuthi ngisiphi lesishaya lesinye ukhona lebathi ngemawili wheelie ngiloku sitududu sihambise ngelisondvo lapha langemuva bese langembili libasemoyeni. Kudaba ne distance lebekwa kwa 400 meters uma ngabe uhamba ngalo 400 meters igcina kuba nguyelo winako. Bese kuba khona lokunye bakuthi igama labo iGymkhana. iGymkhana kubekwe ama cones. It's more often obstacle course whereby uthatha le bike yakho uyihambise around le track lebakubekele yona within a specific time. So the guy or the rider with the shortest time wins the Gymkhana. In other games kutaba netimoto letawube tispina makushesha sekhaya eSwatini tawuba khona nalamanye lechamka ngaphandle kwalo lebili.
Hayi impela kuvakala ngathi ngumcimbi loba mnanzi sibili for bikers, but here you are wearing a t-shirt let's captain. Now tell me what your duty is ku Hyenas yini lo ibuketile wena, and how did Hyenas come about? Siyava nje ukuthi kunemacembu lakhona, but how did Hyenas come about?
Well, Hyenas, they came as a group of friends lababomkhaya who thought they wanted to get into biking for the love of the sport, and eventually they then got together nalabanye yaqala nga 2014. It's been there since now. I think now we are the biggest club in Swaziland. My duty as a captain is just basically lomunye maybe ngathi I lead, lomunye ngathi I serve, lomunye ngakusho ngendlela kubuka ngayo. Umsebenzi wami is to make sure ukuthi into order in the club administratively, and also in terms of basically with the ex-con kone ukuthi ngikhombe indlela ukuthi namhla sibheka njengoba wathi nje ligama lelithi captain nguye mhlambe lo yakhomanda umkhumbi, kepha ke umkhumbi captain akakhomanda yedvana ngulabantu lele bamcoka kakhulu kunaye. So my job is to serve.
life we've had in the kingdom who's been in this game for like plus minus 10 years next to me is known as Big V. Big V. Asikubingelele bhuti sikwemukele ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu. Now tell me more about you, Buti. I mean, Big V. Ungban Big V. Suka kuphi ungubani? What does he do and what brings him here today?
Actually, Big V Vushongwe. V stands for Vusi. Yeah, then I'm a biker. I'm one of the hyenas, and I've been to the field in Mhlambe iminyaka seyingafika ku-10.
Ukhuluma nga-hyenas, nawuthi hyena mina nje ngicabanga silwane sasendlela singaqhamuka lana ngidle phasi. What is hyenas?
Hyenas i-club yethu singama-bikers la Swatini. Sihlangene nje njengoba ubona la ngemva kubhaliwe sothi si-club le la khaya singama-biker sonke sinedidududu sibathandi begibela dududu.
Yini le kwenta ujoyine i-hyenas, Big V? For you, what does being a biker mean? What does Swazi really mean? Just tell me more about that.
Being a biker, it's like ku-sport. Njengoba uyabona labanye bathanda ibhola, thina sithanda didududu. And futhi sijike sesibe ngumndeni, siba yifamily. Kanje ukuthi nje kuhlangana kwethu sekuba khulu vele kanje sibantwana abemfatima. So nalobunanzi nje bokujoinana sonke futhi sibe nemabhizinisi, siniketane nelwati, nekuphana nje abantu labanye siyabapha into lesihlanganisako singemabhayi.
Oh, okay. So basically, Swazi really for you ngumcimbi lapho khona nihlangana khona to share ideas, not just because nihlangane ngepingodi betidududu, anything like that.
Cha lapha sithe njabulo sonke sibagibeli betidududu. Njengoba ubona nje kunebantu ababuye emaveni ahlukene betela kithi batosingatha nathi ukuthi sitojabula. Kuthi imqhudelane lesinayo but nje injabulo yodwa sisonke singemaswati nale bantu ukuhamba.
Okay. Now, what does it take for one to join a group like yours, hyenas? Nangifuna nje kumbe kuba yingcenye yema hyenas ngenda njani? What do I need?
Kuningi lesikubukako sinebaphathi la clubini bayabuka awumani nje ujoyine kunetinqabekelana letithite sesitibukele ukuthi uyakhona yini ungena la kithi. Siqale sikube ngathi siqale sikuhlole kuqala ukuthi ulungeleni kuba ingcenye yethu before mhlambe utongena. Shothi sinema prospect whereby labaphathi bale club nathi sine sonke siyakubuka ukuthi no lona singakhona kuba naye sihlanganyele naye kulomdlalo wethu lomnanzi.
Senyakatho kuphi nakuphi ekufinyelela khona umsakazo weSiswati iSwazi TV iVoice of the Nation siyakubingelela siyakuvusela eluhlelweni Buhle Betfu. Kanti ke phela ukukhumbula kusika sisodwana sine Swaziland Tourism Authority sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashi sibuyile mbukeli sibuye ngemandla kanti phela kunengi besisakupheka sesengekho sibuya nje ngilapha esijokotho kuyo iSwazi Rally yeminyaka wa2017 lesevele ikhange tinkulungwane abantu baqhamuka ngale kwelithaka kanye nakhona lapha eSwatini. Libito lami ke ngingugiyani ngwakamsibi kanti ke uyathi ukuthi ngihambisana nami noMpumelelo kuba kaDlamini lesevele ke athi aqalile ukuxoxisana nabo ke bagibeli bedidududu ikakhulu kade bakahayena weva ukuthi ingabe basiphatheleni kuye umnyaka wa2017. Mina ke lapha ngikhona khona awulisasaza sevele lisetulu umgwaqo uyaphithitela akusahambeki kanti ke siluhlelo Buhle Betfu sitabe sikulethela kusukela kuqala kude kuyafika emaphetheleni kwayo iSwazi Rally yeminyaka wa2017. Wena lapha ekhaya longakwenda ukuthi uchumane nathi ngelikhasi lethu la social media lelithi Buhle Betfu ulike lelo page sitabe sikulethela dona tithombe sikuchazela ukuthi kwendakalani kanti ke ngiseshito njalo mbukeli nesimo selitulu kubuka ngathi siyabavuma impela kuyasho ukuthi akutabe kumnanzi but ayithokotela yona iSwazi Rally iqaleke lokwa ekuseni kusesenombombo bangena emaheke elive laseSwatini kusuka eMpumalanga nakuyo eNtshonalanga kanti ke labanye baqhamuka emaveni lakhashana bathi hey abangasali ababe ingxenye yeSwazi Rally yeminyaka wa2017 sineke nawe mbukeli sabe sixoxelana ukuthi ingabe kwendakalani hlala nasi lapha ekhaya sisakulethela yona iSwazi Rally yeminyaka wa2017.
Show some love. Ladies. That's the latest female there.
And I'm from South Africa, Johannesburg.
All right. Tell us more about you getting into this awkward sport as a female. What motivated you to do the spinning and drifting?
Well, I started spinning 3 years ago. I was quite young when I started spinning. I just matriculated high school. I was 17 years old. So that means that I started school early, and being the youngest in the whole school, out of my whole class, I was bullied a lot. So being bullied and oppressed motivated me to speak up for myself and to show the world that I can do anything. It doesn't matter what you say to me or what you do. I'm not going to let that bother me. I'm going to do what I feel I want to do.
Ngicatha ukukhuluma na Stacy lo wendele tibukwako lapha estage ngayo le moto yakhe lo shela abanengi babambe wangephansi kakhulu kathi phela ngoba ngewesimame kanti muncane ke nangesithombo nawo umbuka lena ke moto ngiyena moto beke intanga ngayo le tibukwako kanti ke botsatsi labanengi bathi ekubeni Stacy endele tibukwako hayi engathi basibata ungenela lo mdlalo sinake silihlelo Buhle Betfu sithi hlala nathi lapha sisihlomangwane uvuka uvakashi sabe solosukulethela nje mbukeli ukuthi ingabe kwendekalana nesithokodo. Friend, tell us more about this specific type of sport using your motorbikes. Tell us more about this sport.
Well, this is an amazing sport. It's called trials, sort of motorcycle trials, and it uses a very specialized motorcycle that the most obvious thing, it doesn't have a seat. So that's the first thing people ask us. And the reason for that is because these bikes we ride in the mountains and we're always standing up and we're going up rocks and down these ramps and stuff. So you don't want anything to sort of get in your way. And you're never sitting down. So obvious reason, no seat, so you can move around a lot, and also the front mud guard is very low. So you can see the front wheel and you can move around and you can calculate everything from there. But yeah, the main game on this is to try go over the biggest obstacles you can find without falling off or putting your foot down.
Pop it! Oh, no, Pop it, pop it, pop it! Switch him off! Give it up, give it up, give it up!
My name is Sunesh Prasad. I'm from Johannesburg, Benoni in South Africa.
Before we get to the level of experience what you've brought inside, let's speak about the inspiration behind the color of this car. What motivated you to paint it using this color?
It's a long story. I was sponsored once upon a time by Speed and Sound, the magazine, and at that point in time there was we were military. We had a military theme, and ever since then everybody's been calling me Soldier Boy, that type of thing. So, you know, we salute. We do the whole toot for you guys. And at the end of the day, we look at every event as a mission. So we come there on a mission in a machine. That's our motto.
How long have you been doing the spinning and drifting?
This year's gonna be 10 years. Yeah, 10 years now. Yeah.
Tell us more about your experience over the 10 years and how you've matured and grown over the years.
It's been it's been a long and a hard walk actually. When we first started off in the streets. It was something that was unruly. We should just practice it on the streets, and then eventually we started going into more designated areas to spin, such as the place where we're at now at Riders Ranch. We've come to a place now where the face of spinning has become more professional. It's a motorsport now actually in South Africa, It's recognized with Motorsport South Africa and WOMSA. So we are now basically a sport. So basically we're upping our levels in the game. So throughout the years, the sport is growing, and it's the fastest form of, well, should I say, it's the fastest growing motorsport in South Africa at the moment as well.
How's the level of safety as you doing the spinning and drifting?
Look, any form of motorsport is dangerous. You can walk out, even if you walk outside the street, a car can bump you. But look, we do take safety precautions. We've got cut-off switches, we've got all the necessary equipment to make sure that everything is safe.
What have you learned and what has it taught you over the 10 years?
To be honest with you, I have a workshop called Suntech, and through spinning I actually opened up my workshop. So basically spinning has taught me to become the mechanic that I am, and the workshop that where I am today as well.
Everybody move like so.
Kind of event ever since it started, and what did you have in mind when you started this event?
Basically, this event's in its 24th year. What we had in mind was to promote tourism in Swaziland through our passion, which is motorcycles. And it's taken us a while to actually get everything in place, but basically we sort of seem to be more or less where we've always wanted to be. And the result is here, it talks for itself.
The event grows bigger and better each and every year from all aspects of the event. How do you do that, and how do you manage to attract people from other countries into coming into this particular event and sport?
Well, it grows bigger and better every year because we listen to what people want, we hear them, and we action what their desires are. And of course within a certain affordability as well, because it's a big financial consumer. And going forward, to make it bigger and better, we're certainly looking for sponsors, and we're hoping that one day, besides, in addition to the sponsors we have, we can get somebody who can become a major role player with us to take it to the next level that we'd like to. Because the next level is possible to be very big.
Nawe mbukelo uyadibonela ukuthi makukhulunywa ngeSwazi Rally kukhulunywa ngemkhosi loba khona impela sonto yonke akusona nje umhlangano wetidududu kuphela kodwa kunyenti lokwenteka kokulendzawo kuba khona bo DJ kuphinze futhi kube khona nebantfu labenta lokuthiwa spinning ngetimoto tabo. Nawe mbukelo uyadibonela kwekuthi lona ngumkhosi loletha abantu kuleli lakangwane labasuka emaveni lahlukahlukene kakhulukati iNingizimu Afrika, eMozambique, Namibia neBotswana batawuhlanganyela la kuyo iSwazi Rally. Ngumkhosi lomhle sibili nami mbukela I cannot wait for the next Swazi Rally lotoba khona nga 2018. Probably I will be the first female Swazi spinner. Who knows? Na utibonele ukuthi Stacy utendela info lapha egroundini. Sonke ke siyatimbukela ukuthi ngilona loyo uba nelikhono lelithite langabukisa ngalo. Nawe asawuthole lakho likhono mbukela isisasho njalo ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu. Sihambisana nayo iSwaziland Tourism Authority City. Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Solo sikhuthatha ukuthi wati live lakho kabandi. Nyalo mbukeli sasifike khona emaphethelweni ehlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu kodwa ke siyakwethembisa ukuthi evikini delitako ngaso sikhathi esifanako sidabe sinawe khona la ehlelweni sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe kwanyalo mbukela ngubufisele kona kubukela lokuhle nekuthokothela lokuhle tinhlelo ntakho letilandzelako.